Boldt HVAC is a reliable heating, ventilation, and air conditioning service provider located in South Street, Paul, Minnesota 55075. We offer a variety of services including HVAC repair, installation, and maintenance. Our skilled technicians are capable of resolving any HVAC issue, from minor repairs to intricate installations. We are dedicated to delivering excellent customer service and ensuring that your HVAC system operates effectively. Contact us today for all your HVAC needs. Are you looking for a HVAC contractor near me? You can stop looking. You found Boldt HVAC. What does an HVAC contractor do? At Boldt HVAC, an HVAC contractor installs, repairs, and maintains heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems. They ensure optimal performance, energy efficiency, and indoor comfort for both residential and commercial properties year-round. What are signs of a failing HVAC system? At Boldt HVAC, signs of a failing HVAC system include inconsistent temperatures, unusual noises, increased energy bills, frequent cycling, weak airflow, and excessive humidity. Addressing these issues early can prevent costly repairs or system failure. What is your service area for the Eagan, Minnesota office? Our HVAC contractor has successfully helped customers in the surrounding areas of Eagan, Apple Valley, Rosemount, Mendota, Bloomington, Newport, Cottage Grove, Coates, Richfield, Minneapolis, Burnsville, Savage, Woodbury, Sunfish Lake, Maplewood, and Edina, Minnesota. Where is your Eagan, Minnesota HVAC contractor office located? We are located at 860 Blue Gentian Road, Suite 200, Eagan, Minnesota 55121. Our phone number is 165-130-06145. Visit our website, www.bobhvac.com.